G'day everyone, Asian Dad here. Sorry I missed the last video, but I'd just like to tell you that I've got an upcoming video series about transitioning from a Mac to a Windows computer. Now, you may ask, why would I do that? Now, I've been an Apple user for over a decade, and I've enjoyed a lot of the Apple products for a number of years. Even being stuck in their Apple ecosystems, I was quite happy. And it's only in the last recent years that I've started questioning on Apple's decision on their products, as well as their plan for the future, and especially the insane pricing that's starting to get out of control. Now, if you think the same, put a comment below. I'd love to hear what you think as well. And so I started searching on hardware and software to slowly move away from Apple. Now, I'd like to share my experience on the very first step you need to do is trying to move away from the macOS system to probably more than likely a Windows system. Now, Windows have chased up definitely for the last couple of years since the macOS has not really been doing very much. I think the last 2 to 3 years they're pretty much stagnant. What do we get? Dark mode, stacking, a few little minor like performance upgrades. Seriously, not much there. And in that time, Microsoft has caught up a lot in their software for Windows 10. So this series is the first step in trying to move from macOS to Windows 10. And the features that you would use in macOS, what would it be the counterpart for Windows 10? If there are features that are important in macOS for you, please put a comment below. It just makes sure that I actually do try and cover all the topics, or even just do some research to try and help you out with that. Just remember, imperfections in life makes it beautiful and interesting. I'll see you in the next video.